Hello, my favorite artists. Today we are going to be making a bird drawing in the style of James Rizzi. His artwork was in the style of what's called pop art. You may have heard of it before. His artwork is characterized by being very bright, happy, cheery, and playful. Most of his artwork had themes of the New York City skyline, birds, suns, and other characters that he came up with. The first thing I'm going to need is a piece of paper and a Sharpie to draw my birds. I've got my paper this way, it's long ways or horizontal. And I'm going to draw 3 or 4 birds on my paper. So the first one I'm going to do in the middle. I'm going to start with kind of an oval shape that is still open. On the 2 open parts, I'm going to connect it with a V shape. Then I'm going to give this bird some eyes. So I'm going to do 2 circles and put some dots in between. And then 2 dots on his beak. Now I'm going to do the bird's body. So I'm going to make a big U shape. And then I'm going to go down from this side of his beak and out and connect it. Going to give my bird some wings. And then I'm going to give him some feet. So a long line and then 3 short lines. And then my bird probably needs some hair, doesn't he? So that's one way to do a James Rizzi bird. I'm going to show you one more way where the bird is looking to the side instead of looking to the front. So I'm going to do that U shape again. I'm going to give the bird beak this way this time. And then a big U body. Connect them. Give him some wings. An eyeball where he's looking to the side. A little mouth on his beak. Some hair. And some feet. So now I have 2 kinds of birds. I think I'm gonna do one more bird that looks like this, but you can do any kinds of variations of these birds. Now that I've got my birds on my paper, I want to add some things into the background so you know where the birds are. Some things that you can add to the background to show where the birds are maybe some clouds. Something that James Rizzi does a lot in his paintings are hot air balloon shapes. So I'm going to do an oval, connect them, draw 2 lines, then draw the basket, and then maybe put a little pattern on my hot air balloon. And maybe I want to do another one next to it, so 2 are flying together. And maybe this one has some flowers. Maybe I want to add a few more clouds. If you want to add a sunshine, you can do that. And now I'm going to color my bird picture. Something that James Rizzi does in all of his paintings is He paints things very colorful. You can use any kind of colors you want. You can use markers, you can use colored pencils, you can use paint, you can use crayons. I'm going to use markers, and I'm going to try to use as many different bright colors as I can.